Have you ever looked up at the sky and wondered how do those massive metal birds stay in the air? How can something so heavy fly thousands of miles effortlessly? Today we are uncovering the science behind flight. So let's start. Before we dive into the science, let's take a quick look at history. Humans have always dreamed of flying. From the Leonardo da Vinci's sketches of flying machines to the Wright brothers' first powered flight in 1903.
Man's age-old dream of flight becomes a reality.
The journey to modern aviation has been incredible, but what exactly allows airplanes to defy gravity? Let's find out. Every airplane follows the same fundamental principle, the four forces of flight. These are lift, the force that pulls the airplane upwards, weight, the force that pulls it down, thrust, the force that moves it forward, drag, the force that resists forward motion. For an airplane to take off, the lift must be greater than weight and thrust must be greater than drag. But how does lift actually work? That brings us to our next section. The secret of lift, Bernoulli's principle. Bernoulli's principle. Simply put, when air moves faster, it creates lower pressure. Now look at the shape of an airplane wing. It's curved on the top and flat on the bottom. As air moves over the wing, it travels faster over the curved top and slower underneath. This creates lower pressure on the top and higher pressure below. That's how the airplane is lifted into the sky. Fun fact, birds have naturally curved wings that work on the same principle. How thrust works, the role of engines. Now what about thrust? That's the job of the airplane's engines. In modern jets, engines work by sucking in air, compressing it, mixing it with fuel, igniting it, and then forcing it out at high speed. This pushes the aircraft forward. Fun fact, a Boeing 747 jet engine can generate over 63,000 pounds of thrust. That's equal to the power of more than 5,000 car engines. Controlling the flight. How pilots steer the plane. They use different controls surfaces to steer the aircraft. Aileron. Help the plane tilt left or right. Elevators. Control up and down movement. Rudder. Helps turn left or right. These allow the pilot to smoothly navigate through the skies. Landing and the role of flaps. One of the most crucial phases of flight is landing. Pilots extend flaps and slats on the wings, which increase drag and lift to help slow down and land safely. Modern planes also have reverse thrust, where engines push air backward, acting like brakes. Why don't planes fall from the sky? Some people fear turbulence. But don't worry, airplanes are designed to handle extreme conditions. Even if an engine fails, the plane can still glide safely for miles and land. Fun fact, the wings of an airplane are so strong, they can bend up to 90 degrees without breaking. Final thoughts, the magic of aviation. Flying is one of the greatest achievements of human engineering. From takeoff to landing, every second is the result of brilliant physics and technology working together. Next time you are on a plane, you will know exactly how it defies gravity. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button and subscribe for more amazing science content. See you in the next one. Goodbye.